In a tree near Dizzy's house was a lovely looking birdhouse.
Tweet, tweet! I'm the mother bird, and this is my birdhouse. Come on. Well, there it is. My little egg. And also my first egg lying right there in my birdhouse. I might as well find some leaves to keep my egg warm. Whoosh. Tweet! Oh my! My egg's missing! Where did it go? Has anyone seen my first egg?
Boy, do I just love the outside. What's that? It's an egg. It's rolling right towards me. Stop, egg. That was close. I wonder where this egg came from. Maybe it came from the refrigerator. At Eric's house. Alright, egg. Stay right there. I'll be right back. Yeah. Nope. Maybe it's in Dizzy's house. In Dizzy's house? No, you. No, not here either. What is going on in here? Eric, what are you doing in my fridge? Sorry, Dizzy. I'm just trying to find out where this egg belongs. That's an interesting looking egg, Eric. Here, let me see. Maybe this is some sort of bird's egg. Dizzy, I think that's false because birds don't have fridges. Not even any other furniture. No couch, no TV, no lamp, no bed. Actually, what I meant is this must be an egg a bird has laid. Oh, that type of bird. You must be right. Maybe, we should see who owned this egg. Good idea. Maybe we could check the trees near my house. Okay then, outside we go. There are so many trees out here, Dizzy. Which one is the eggs tree? Let's try this tree over here. Tweet, tweet, tweet. Did you lose this egg? No birds in this tree. How about in this tree? Tweet, tweet, tweet. Did you lose an egg? Eric, I think I found a clue. Wait, what clue did you find, Dizzy? Look up in the tree, Eric. It's a birdhouse. Do you think that's where the egg lives? I think so. Why not put the egg in there? Come on, little egg. You're back home. Home sweet home. Perfect. Why is the house shaking? Now I get. The egg just doesn't want to go into the house. Looks like you are right, Eric. Let me try. Alright, egg, in you go. See, Eric, I told you this would work. It's tipping!
Is there something wrong with this egg?
Wait a second. Maybe that's not the bird's owner. You must be right. Maybe this egg belongs to a different bird. But what types of birds are there that lay eggs? I know ducks lay eggs. Wait a second. That's it, Dizzy. Maybe this egg belongs to one of the rubber ducks. Let's go. Hi, Dizzy and Eric. Hi, rubber ducks. I'm just wondering, is this your egg? Whoa, I've never seen that egg before. Yeah, we were just wondering if this is your egg. It's lost and needs to find its mama.
Mama.
Did the egg just say mama? Wait a second, that must be the baby bird's first word. Mama.
Mama.
I am not your mama. I'm Galopi.
Galopi.
It just said Galopi.
It said your name.
I'm not your mama. Find your own mama.
Mama.
I'm not your mama either.
Stripes.
How did the baby bird know your name was Stripes? I have no clue, but my name is Stripes, and I'm not your mama.
Mama. I am Dumko. Dumko.
He or she said your name, Dumko.
Dumko. Dumko. I'm not your mama. I'll fly you out of here. That you do it.
Is that egg fine, Dumko?
I think so. Whoa, 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 whoa. That egg started to shake. Like crazy. Now shaking again.
The egg's gonna hatch. Maybe it belongs in the birdhouse. Quick, Dumko, put it back in the birdhouse for me.
I'll teleport there. Ducky, teleport. Oh, we're back at the birdhouse. All right, egg, get in. That should do it. Only problem is, where's the mother bird? Ducky, teleport.
What brings you back here, Dumko?
There's only one thing missing. The mother bird.
Mother bird. Mother bird. Mother bird. Mother bird. She must be out looking for her egg. Because we're ducks, we know how to speak, bird.
Here's how we speak.
Quack, 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 quack,
Quack, quack.
Ducks don't live in a birdhouse. Also the bird who lives in the birdhouse is supposed to go tweet, tweet, not quack, quack. But we're ducks, and we're meant to say quack all the time. We don't say tweet like other birds. Just say tweet for us. It's the only way we could get mother bird to go back to her birdhouse before the egg hatches.
Okay. Tweet, tweet.
Tweet, 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 tweet. Good. Tweet, tweet.
Tweet, tweet.
Tweet, tweet. Tweet, tweet. Tweet, tweet. You're getting it, ducks. You're getting it. Tweet, tweet. You don't hear ducks say that all the time.
Where's my egg?
Tweet, 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 tweet.
I hear more birds. I think I hear them nearby. Whoosh.
Tweet, 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 tweet.
Hey, there's the mother bird. Oh no, would you look at that? My egg is back in my birdhouse. Whoa. Oh, in just in time too, it's going to hatch.
Do you hear that, ducks? The egg's going to hatch now.
Mama. Mama. My baby's here. I am so glad to have you with me, my baby. Galopi.
Who's Galopi?
Stripes. And who's Stripes? Dumko. And who's Dumko? When did you learn all of these words?
Well, mother bird, they're our names. Quack, quack, quack. 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 Quack, quack, quack.